Deep in the California desert, off Route 66, a legend has been sleeping in the dark for 50 years. The air inside is heavy with dust and gasoline. It feels like stepping into a time capsule.
And there it is. The shape is unmistakable. Enzo Ferrari called this the most beautiful car ever made.
But look at it, buried under decades of filth. Is it dead or just sleeping?
In the 60s, this wasn't just a car, it was a superstar. Speed, style, and pure sex appeal.
Today, the red paint's dead. The chrome is rusted. It's a tragedy waiting for a hero.
Time for the first wash in 50 years. Watch the layers of history wash away.
These wire wheels are a nightmare to clean. Every spoke needs individual attention. The devil is in the details. This dirt has been here since the Nixon administration.
A thick blanket of snow foam, lifting the dirt from the pores of the paint.
Look at that contamination. Washing alone can't remove this grit.
Prep work is key. We mask the trim to protect it from the polisher.
The moment of truth, silence or symphony.
Here we go.
It's ALIV. The Jaguar roars like a beast waking from hibernation. Step into the light, darling. You were born to shine, not to rot.
Enzo was right. Perfection on wheels. We didn't just clean a car, we saved history. Don't let history die. Subscribe for the next rescue. See you on the road.